If you want to join one of the most popular platforms for indie games, game jams, and digital downloads, then in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create an itch.io account step by step. Whether you want to play games, explore community projects, or upload and sell your own content later on, setting up your account is quick and easy. And as always, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful guide. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the itch.io homepage. Once the site loads, look at the top right corner of the screen and click the register button. This will take you to the sign up page where you can start creating your account. Now you'll see the registration form. The first thing you need to enter is a unique username. This is important because your username will become part of your profile URL, so pick something that represents you well and is easy to remember. If the name you want is already taken, you may need to try a variation or add a number to make it unique. Next, create a strong password. A good password should be long, difficult to guess, and different from passwords you use on other websites. This helps keep your account secure from unwanted access. After that, enter a valid email address that you have access to, because itch.io will send a verification email to this inbox. Once your basic account details are filled in, itch.io will ask you to select your interests. This helps personalize your experience on the platform. You'll usually choose whether you're mainly interested in downloading and playing games or whether you plan to distribute your own content. If you just want to explore games, select the option that matches that. If you plan to upload projects, sell content, or share creations later, choose the distribution option instead. Below that, you may see a checkbox for the newsletter. This is optional, so you can decide whether or not you want to receive updates, news, and announcements from itch.io. If you like staying informed about new features, events, or community highlights, you can leave it checked. If not, you can leave it at unchecked. You'll also need to accept the terms of service. Make sure you read and understand the terms before continuing, then check the box to confirm your agreement. This is required in order to create the account. After everything is filled out and reviewed, click the Create Account button. At this point, your account request will be submitted and itch.io will move you to the final verification step. Now go to your email inbox and look for a message from itch.io. If you don't see it right away, check your spam, promotions, or junk folder just in case it landed there. Open the email and click the verification link inside. This step is very important because it activates your account and unlocks all the platform's features. Once your email is verified, your itch.io account will be ready to use. From there, you can browse games, follow creators, join game jams, upload your own projects, or start building your presence on the platform. And that's it. You've successfully created your itch.io account. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you want to see more guides for game platforms, creator tools, and account setup walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.